The government says medical students studying in Cuba now have the option of continuing their studies locally. The announcement was made at today's post-cabinet press briefing.
Hardship and strife, the circumstances facing thousands of Cubans after the recent oil blockade imposed by the United States. It has resulted in nationwide power cuts, a crumbling health sector, while a growing list of companies, hotels included, are withdrawing or limiting their operations in the country. Jamaican students studying in Cuba have been appealing for a lifeline. On Wednesday, Foreign Affairs Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith announced the University of the West Indies, UWI Mona, and the Caribbean School of Nursing at the University of Technology, UTech, have agreed to accommodate eligible students seeking to continue their education locally.
Placement must depend on your academic qualification or what you have accomplished, what you have learned, and that is usually demonstrated in the form of transcripts. And universities also, of course, require students' ability to pay applicable fees.
The government, she says, remains prepared to airlift the students from Cuba to Jamaica on a one-way flight.
We have advised our students of this, subject to the availability of flights and timing. We have advised them, and to date, no student has asked us for assistance with departure. We understand some of the privately funded students may have left and not notified us formally. This therefore allows for us to have a less than perfect understanding of the numbers that are present, but we continue to encourage them to let us know so that we have the best understanding of the student population present.